Are you an institutional investor or an accredited investor who are looking for market outperformance return? If you answer yes to my question, I have great news for you. I'm Dr. HARVEY, CEO and co-founder of Evergrowth Biohealthcare Capital. We are an emerging biotech hedge fund that do things differently. We have unique edge or advantage that allow us to outperform the stock market. I'm going to share with you the differentiating characteristic and how our difference can help you to achieve market outperformance return. First, we are a unique team in that we have both medical and scientific expertise that is successfully integrated with financial expertise or investing expertise. Our team, cumulatively, we have over 200 years of experience. Our chairman of the medical and scientific committee is Dr. Van Wint. Every week we meet and Dr. Van would present on the latest development in the life science sector by conducting a weekly open mic webinar with Dr. Van's presentation and also insight from all of the committee members. We're able to stay up to date with the latest advancement as well as foreseeing the upcoming development for us to purchase companies that are developing innovative solutions to the problem. So that way we can buy this company early on before they explode and just holding them for years for them to increase manyfold for us. Second of all, our fund is powered by the unique system of stock picking that we founded. It's called Integrated Bioscience Investing. You may ask, what exactly is the biotech binary event? Well, these are the make or break development of a biotech company. It entails either an FDA approval or big data release for this young biotech company. This company has roughly a $1 billion market cap and without an FDA approved drug. Now, for this company, I focus heavily on the lead molecule, the drug that is most advanced in clinical development. I call this the crown jewel of the pipeline. Over the past 7 years, in my prior business, Integrated Bioscience Investing, where I consult Wall Street analysts, fund manager, family office manager, asset manager, as well as research company, I'm able to hit 85% accuracy in forecasting the biotech binary event. Right now, the biotech stock has been trading on a downtrend for the past several years. Based on my market analysis, I strongly believe that this biotech bear market is about to transition into the next bull market cycle. Many fundamentally robust biotech company are trading at a fraction of their true worth or intrinsic value, as Warren Buffett called it. By investing in this bear market and hold it into the next bull market cycle, you can expect to increase your investment by severalfold. There's no better time than now to invest in the biotech stock market. If you want to capture the lucrative opportunity in the biotech market, but you either don't have the expertise or you don't have the time or you do not want to do the research by yourself, reach out to us. Let our fund capture this lucrative upcoming biotech researcher for you. Let's book a call and discuss to see if we are the right fund for you and if you're the right investor for us. As a reminder, we hold weekly open mic webinar, and then I will do a video summary of open mic webinar where we feature on many topics, many trends in the life science sector, and they include the latest innovation oncology space or cancer space, and where we talk about the novel immunotherapy. We also cover the latest development in the NASH space, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, in obesity, in cardiology, in high blood pressure, asthma. Check out our YouTube channel where you can get the latest update on various development in the life science sector. And make sure to hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell notification button so that you can get our video as soon as they are released, and schedule a call with us today. I look forward to speaking to you.